Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fisti, and I am first semester of English student. And here I want to tell you how about TEFL teachings in writing skills. In my here I want to tell you Facebook in foreign language teachings, a tool to improve communication competence. The definition is Facebook is a social media web application used by millions every day. Students use it comfortably and frequently as a means of genuine communications, mainly for keeping in touch with friends. Actually, we as young adults use Facebook as well, some of us extensively, as we acknowledge its excellent role in conveying verbal writing, message and visuals. Facebook is so good in promoting daily communications. It should be also profitable in the school environment. Our research, which was developed with a group of students in Indonesian and another one in English, consists in creating a Facebook account for an English language class for digital home assessment. At this point, our aim is to stimulate more language more involved in the learning activity, mainly in the writing assessment. The research that started in the fall 2020 so that Facebook has indeed a great potential as a means for a teacher to reach to their students and experiments with learning methods. Students who had never written their homework before start responding on Facebook to a variety of communicative assessment. Our conclusions is that since using Facebook, the foreign language class has progressed toward an environment of genuine communications. So the next, how to play the participating students come for two schools. Search graders from Muhammadiyah Sidoarjo Junior High Schools, Sidoarjo Country, East Java, and third grader from Muhammadiyah Sidoarjo Senior High School, Sidoarjo Country, East Java. The junior high schools students are working for the Indonesian class, while the senior high school students use Facebook to improve their English. The third grade from Muhammadiyah Sidoarjo Junior High School is made up of 19 students, 9 girls and 10 of boys. The senior high school's grade consists of 31 students, 17 boys and 14 girls, coming from various social backgrounds. In order to achieve better results, they have been their main step in our activity. First of all, we start by creating two regular Facebook accounts, one for the Indonesian class and the other to the English class, which students were able to add to their friends list. After having customized the Facebook account, we have sent friendship requests to the students. Once the students have been contacted by means of internet, our posting stage has started. In class, students were let know that they will be working on Facebook. With the received explanations and feedback, students were given 1 week to post their reply as a feedback to the teacher online activity. A student become active, the teacher will give his or her feedback to the student point and review this with a like or a dislike. Most of topics are an agreement with the syllabus in order to measure the students' communications competence we used. Competence and observe cried to see their perceptions about the Facebook initiative. We decided and applied a questionnaire. For their research, there is a strength and weakness. The strength is, first, when we announce the idea of our project to the students, they were very excited about experimenting with a new way of doing schoolwork. And second, students also get their responses appraised with a like or a dislike. This apparently is significant and customized gesture seems to be a very successful with students as they often ask for it and they display a positive attitude once they get it. So for the weakness, first, never felt the program was not steady. After the initial positive reactions, their excitement faded for a while. So second, our lack of online presence was missed by the students who asked whether they would be having any work homework on Facebook. The conclusions, our attempt to revive the students' interest in doing their homework by the use of on Facebook has proved efficient. Since this modern approach has resulted in a change of mentality. Students no longer see assessments as a chore, but as an enjoyed activity. Furthermore, the students' attitude toward Indonesian and English class in general has changed as they are eager to work on the text they are asking and to learn more. Even though the project has been implemented for a short time, for us to be able to notice a very significant change in each and every student's levels of very language performance, it is certain that their homework tends to be more and more accurate, as well as their use of language during class. Furthermore, what is special about the result of our projects is a major change in attitude that it has triggered in the students. Prior to our initiative, some never did their homework, showed little interest, if any, in the class. With Facebook, students got to understand that communications in English language and be attentive and important for their life. This research is referenced by www.books.google.co.id. Conference Competence is for language learning. So second, for facebook.com. The last is for journalsenajaedu.com. Impact of using Facebook on improving English communications. So the last is www.books.google.co.id. Multicultural instructional design concept and methodologies. Okay, for the last, thank you for watching my video, and I hope this result can help you to teach TEFL teaching about writing skills. Thank you.